Academia School. This is our social studies lecture. As we have already discussed about Google Maps and location finding and grid patterns, now we will be heading towards the question and answer session of our topic. So the first question is, what does a grid on a map represent? A grid on a map represent, can you recall it? We have already discussed it in our previous lecture. The grid are actually the patterns that represents whether the location is towards east, it is towards west, it is towards north or towards south. So a grid on a map represents lines that go north south and east west to identify locations. Like we have to identify location, then grid will tell us whether we will go towards north, south, east and west to identify that specific location that we want. Moving towards the next question, why is Manchar Lake important? This is the same question that we have discussed previously in our lecture during reading. The Manchar Lake is the only freshwater lake, is the largest freshwater lake of Pakistan. So it is important in this way, as well as this Manchar Lake has gone through some different changes during the past years. So that's why it is also has become very important to learn about it. Manchar Lake is the largest freshwater lake in the Pakistan and has experienced significant changes over time. So what changes it has observed? Do you remember? Actually, it has expanded in its size due to the change of location and overflowing of canals and the drainage patterns. Moving towards next question, what can studying maps and globes help us understand? Studying maps and globes help us understand that track changes in the landforms, like if we are studying about Himalaya mountain ranges of Pakistan, and when we have studied maps and globes, it means that we will know about where it is exactly located and how has it is being changed from the past recent years, and better understand the dynamic nature of our planet. You know our planet is not smooth. It has many landforms and many different types of climate. So when we discuss about Google Maps and globes, it means that we will discuss all that, and it will make us help us understand our nature better than any other person. So that's all about today. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.